You're watching how to replace iPhone broken glass. So you're welcome back to my channel. This is the Great Phone Repairs. If you're new to this channel, like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. So now let's heat the broken back glass. Heat it with your workstation. Set your temperature to be at 300 degrees Celsius. Continue heating it until the gum is neutralized. The glue that is holding the back glass is neutralized. Heat it like for 5 to 10 minutes. Continue heating it until the heat is even. So once the heat is done, get an handkerchief, hold the back glass. Carefully get a flat material like a knife to pop out the back glass. Now apply your ethanol to neutralize the glue. Keep on the action. Now while heating the back glass, be careful not to damage the red camera, that is the back camera. So if you're coming across this video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop an interesting video such as this. Take note, the inductor coil is at the back glass, close to the back glass, so be careful not to destroy it. So that is the inductor coil there. Be careful not to cut it. Careful when removing the back glass not to cut it. So once that is done, get a flat material to pop out the remaining back glass. Now heat this remaining back glass. Heat it carefully. Make sure the heat is even, supplied to everywhere. So now this is a new back glass. So you can see it fits properly. So now let's apply our gum. Where's the gum? Bring the gum. Now this is the gum. We'll be using this gum. So apply it round the back. Apply it carefully and make sure don't apply the gum to the inductor coil. Apply enough gum. Don't apply the gum on the inductor coil. So once you're done applying the gum, let's get the new back glass to replace it. So this is the new back glass. This is it. Bring it out from the fader. This is the new back glass, and boom. Let's attach it properly, align it very well. Then after that, bind it with your rubber band. Carefully bind it. Once you're done binding it, bind it very properly. Now leave it for like 20 minutes for the glue to dry properly. After the glue has been dried, remove your rubber. Remove it. Then after removing all the rubber band, carefully remove them. Remove. Now after removing it, get a handkerchief or soft material, soak it into an ethanol or alcohol or spirits or fuel, then start cleaning the excess glue, the excess gum. They have a special gum for gumming it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is the Great Phone Repairs. If you're new to this channel, hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever an interesting video drop. I used to upload videos every week. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. So now this phone is looking new. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can also contact us on the number on your screen.